Today, I'm going to be showing you one of Reunion Resort's most popular condo communities, Center Court Ridge. If you're looking for premium golf course views, condos with elevator access, with walkability to some of Reunion Resort's best amenities, Center Court Ridge is definitely a community worth considering. If you're exploring Florida and you're not quite familiar with Reunion Resort Florida, well, you clicked on the right video. Because Reunion Resort is one of Central Florida's most premier and fun golf and vacation communities. Reunion Resort offers 3 18-hole golf courses designed by Tom Watson, Jack Nicklaus, and Arnold Palmer, a 5-acre water park, restaurants, pickleball, tennis, and much more. For a full introduction to Reunion Resort Florida, make sure you subscribe and check out my complete Reunion Resort overview video linked at the end of this video. I'm very excited to show you, at the end of this video, a top floor unit here in Center Court Ridge, which is a rare find, and it showcases some of the best views in all of Reunion Resorts. And it's a great example of what condo life looks like here in Center Court Ridge. One of the biggest reasons that buyers love Center Court Ridge is really its location. It's located near the center of Reunion Resort, and you're within walking distance of several of the community's most popular amenities. Just steps away, you're going to be finding your Reunion Tennis Center, your pickleball courts, your miniature golf, your community pool, and, of course, throughout the whole area is your beautiful golf course views. If you're looking to be in the center of all the action, Center Court Ridge is one of the most convenient condo communities for you. Let's talk about the amenities and what ownership in Reunion Resort includes. One thing that's important to understand about Reunion is that there are multiple levels of amenities available to owners. First, you have your standard owner amenities that come with ownership, including access to multiple community pools, 6 to be exact, and the Reunion Fitness Center. Then there are membership-only amenities, which provide access to the golf courses, water park, pickleball, tennis, and other resort features. Listen, Reunion membership can become very complicated very fast. So while I gave you a brief informational guide to Reunion membership, really what I would suggest is one of two things. Either number one, you watch my Reunion Resort membership video, which fully breaks down Reunion membership. Or number two, you reach out to me directly because I will have all of the most up-to-date information on Reunion membership for you to review, and you can ask me questions live. Your Center Court Ridge HOA fees include your exterior insurance, exterior maintenance, your internet, your cable TV, and your pest control. HOA fees do change over time, so rather than posting the numbers that may become outdated, reach out to me directly and I'll provide the most current information. Let's dive into the real estate overview. Center Court Ridge consists of 154 condo units, and every residence features 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. It's really important to note that each of these buildings has elevator access, and there are golf course views throughout the property. One thing that a lot of buyers love about Center Court Ridge is that it is so popular for a personal vacation home, but also as a short-term rental. And what a lot of people do is they'll rent their property for part of the year and stay there the other part of the year. Really, if I had to choose one thing that separates Center Court Ridge from the other condo communities, is that every single condo has a view. Center Court Ridge offers 2 different floor plans. And while both offer 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, there are differences that you need to know about because one unit may be a better fit for your lifestyle than the other. Here are the 2 floor plans for you to review: the exterior unit and the interior unit floor plan. Now, I'm going to be quickly covering the pros to each of these units. So the exterior unit, the 2 main reasons that people choose this is if they want more natural lighting since there's more windows throughout the condo. The other reason that people like this is there's an exterior storage unit right outside of your condo that has room for all of your stuff while you're not at your condominium. The interior unit, the main positive is the balcony is about twice the size as the exterior unit. Which one do you like more?
Type in the comments below which one you would prefer and why.
Well, let me tell you this. If you're looking for a property that may not be your primary, or it might be, and you want something that has less maintenance and less work than a single family home, in general, Center Court Ridge is going to be a lot less work for you and a lot easier for you to just come home, turnkey, your unit's ready for you to relax and enjoy.
So there isn't a community in Reunion Resort that has more pickleball and tennis lovers than Center Court Ridge. You're literally right next to the courts.
Look at this view. Seriously, does it get any better than this? We are at a listing that I had that just sold. And this is a top floor Center Court Ridge unit, which is the interior floor plan. And I'm going to be showing you around so that you can see what an interior unit looks like on the top floor. Starting off our tour, on the left, we have bedroom 1, which has its own full bathroom. Like the other rooms, all these bedrooms have full bathrooms, but this one has a door that opens up to the main area as well. Then going into bedroom 2, normally these rooms, you'll see 2 beds. Now you don't have to do that, but a lot of people will do that for rental optimization. Again, this has its own full bathroom. As we head into the living room and the kitchen area, you'll see that there's 2 closets on the right hand side, and these are actually where the laundry machines are held, and there's an additional storage closet there. Heading into the master bedroom and master bathroom, there's 2 things I would like to point out. Number 1 is the master bathroom has a closed off toilet area, and it also offers the shower and bathtub separately. Secondly, I would like to mention that there are 2 large closets. Now, it's very common for one of these to be locked off as an owner closet. And saving the best for last, we have the balcony with the gorgeous view of the golf course.
Hopefully this video gave you a great idea of what it's like to own property here in Center Court Ridge. If you're starting your Reunion Resort home search or condo search, whether it's a vacation home, a full-time residence, or a short-term rental, I would love to be your real estate resource of choice, because now you have a friend in the real estate business. My name's Camden Baboski. I work with Waypoint Real Estate Group, and this is what I do. I help people like you find their dream home, and I would love to help you along with your search. So please do not hesitate to reach out to me via phone or email, and I will give you all of the up-to-date information and things that you're looking for on your search. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to this video. God bless you.
Are you looking for more videos on Reunion Resort, Florida? Well, you've come to the right place, because this is a part of my Reunion Resort Communities playlist, and I've put that right on your screen so that you can click and watch more videos just like this. I also have a Reunion Resort overview video for you to watch.